Gyan Sagar Educational Group presents eSchool.
Kids, before few days we have prepared Rakhis. Now the upcoming festival is Janmashtami, so let us prepare something for Kanhaji. So for that you will be needing newspaper, okay, and if newspaper is not there, then you can use such type of stick also, okay. Such type of stick you will get from the old brooms, पुरानी झाड़ू से भी आप ले सकते हैं. And satin ribbon is needed. If you don't have satin ribbon, then you can use the wool also. ऊन, किसी भी कलर का ऊन आप ले सकते हैं, और ऊन भी नहीं है तो आप ग्लेस पेपर ले सकते हैं. Then such type of golden sheet is needed, glitter sheet, any color. From that you will have to cut a very thin stripe like this, and if you don't have glitter paper, then the golden thread can be used. Then sellotape is needed, Fevicol, and Rakhi festival is over, so such type of Rakhis also can be used. Okay, now for decoration some items we want, so from Rakhi itself you can cut, or if you don't have anything mirror or crystals, you can cut small circles of glitter sheets. Then such type of beads if you have, you can use such type of beads, and some shapes we have to cut from the glitter sheets or glaze papers, okay. Such type of shapes you have to cut. So be ready with such type of things. Now let us start. What we have to do first, we have to prepare the roll. So if you have newspaper like this, put a very thin refill or any stick and start rolling it from the corner. Roll it, and then you will have to stick it from the corner. Then you will get such type of stick. Got it? Paper roll we have prepared. Now if you want to decorate on the paper roll, you can decorate on the paper roll, or if you want to decorate on the stick, you can decorate it on the stick. That is your choice, okay. Now what we have to do, we have to wrap the satin ribbon after applying the Fevicol, okay. So like this you will have to wrap the satin ribbon on the complete stick, and if you want to roll the wool, that also can be used. Now stick it with the help of sellotape. Now next you have to take the golden strip. Now golden strip also you have to start decorating like this. Paste it very carefully so that you will get such type of stick, okay. So base of our flute is ready. Now we have to start decorating it. So for that, first of all, if you have beads, that will be your own idea, okay. If you want to decorate it with the help of beads, beads also can be pasted. Choice is yours. If you do not have beads, colorful bindis also can be used. So see, we have decorated it. Now what next we have to do? First of all, if you have such type of Rakhi, that Rakhi we have to tie at the corner. Tie it very carefully. And extra thread if you want to cut, you can cut, or if you want to paste it, you can paste it. So see, such type of flute is ready, okay. Now for further decoration, what we have to do, we have to paste the shapes which we have cut. So apply little Fevicol and start pasting them. This would be your own ideas. How do you want to decorate your flute for Kanhaji? It's not necessary that whatever is shown here that you have to follow as it is. You should have your own ideas. Any crystal, any mirror, any circle from the sheet can be used. And now finally paste it over the Rakhi. Where we had tied the Rakhi, over that you have to paste it, and don't forget to fix it properly, otherwise it will come down. And finally you will get such type of flute for Kanhaji. Okay, so right now it's not pasted properly, but you will have to keep it, you will have to wait, you will have to keep patience till it dries up. Okay, so if you prepare such type of flute, just send the pics on the WhatsApp group whenever it will be opened.